What's the meaning of Ayurvedic medicine? Ayurvedic medicine. Ayurvedic medicine.
Ayurvedic medicine. Ayurvedic medicine. Ayurvedic medicine is a traditional holistic healing system rooted in ancient Indian practices that emphasize the interconnectedness of the mind, body, and spirit. Its philosophy is based on the belief that good health depends on a balance between these elements and is achieved through a personalized approach to diet, lifestyle, and natural remedies. Ayurvedic medicine includes various therapies such as massage, herbal medicines, and yoga. Studies have suggested that Ayurvedic medicine may help manage certain health conditions, but it is important to consult with a qualified practitioner before using it as a primary treatment.